sprawling open floor plan leads to large outdoor entertaining area, entry foyer, large living room, formal dining room, gourmet kitchen with granite counters, 15-foot granite snack bar, overlooks family room, 3-way split bedroom, 4.5 baths, 5 bedrooms, includes office, nursery, master suite with huge window overlooking pool, patio area, luxurious master bath with jacuzzi tub, private water closet with bitted screen, patio, expanded pool, patio area, golf course, LOT3C air garage, circular drive, huge LOT, 16,803 square feet times 3 ACs, roof, 3 years OLD, guard gated, community tennis, golf. Available, no golf membership required, maintenance $210 per month.